Hello! Have a wonderful day. Today, I'm going to talk about something nobody really talks about was also made completely for free. But first, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. First of all, we will start by generating the images. We'll create our character model first. For the model, we need a close-up face portrait, a front-facing full-body shot, and a back-facing full-body shot. The prompts for the images are quite simple. Just keep them straightforward, describe the look you want, and generate them in any AI tool you like. We will have two characters. You'll see my commercial at the beginning, just like I explained. After this, we will try generating them in Google Flow using these prompts. I will leave the video prompts linked in the description and comments. Just make sure to rename the image file names to match the prompts accordingly. This is the prompt for the active motion video inside the kitchen. I have left the link to copy the prompt in the comments. This is the video prompt for actively moving on the street and suddenly teleporting to the railway station. This is the prompt for the scene where he enters the office with a foot-on-camera shot and puts the headphones on the angry boss. Let's see how it looks.
It's 9 o'clock. Is this your coming to work time?
This is the prompt for the promotional motion, where the headphones rotate 360 degrees. All the necessary prompts are linked in the comments and bio. Thank you so much for watching until the end.